各位觀眾，你哋好，歡迎收睇6月24號嘅新聞報導。灣市警方搗破一個犯罪集團，喺市內一間住宅搜獲大批嘅賊贓、毒品同埋武器，估計市值高達幾十萬元。
喺行動入面，警方係拘捕咗10個人，當中1人已經被落案起訴。警方已經係發放部分贓物嘅圖片，呼籲屋企曾經遭遇爆竊嘅市民辨認屬於自己嘅財物。由吳偉基報導。
灣市警方今日向傳媒展示嘅，除咗單車、家居維修工具、樂器、電腦與電視機之外，仲有多本護照同半自動手槍等武器。警方相信，從 Main 甲東47街附近一間住宅揾到嘅賊贓，來自數以百計入屋爆竊嘅受害人。
Some of it will be sold, some of it will be traded or bartered. Some of it would be just used by the criminals in committing other crimes. So the weapons would be used potentially in other crimes. There's a credit card embosser for use in identity theft.
警方又透露，呢次喺上週五進行嘅搜查行動，亦都發現咗可卡因、海洛因等毒品，市值約為2萬元。而案中被捕嘅10人當中，其中9人已經被獲釋，有待進一步嘅調查。不過49歲男住客 Andrew Roy Cross 就已被落案，暫時面對一項持有軍火控罪。
He does have a criminal record. He has extensive police history. We've actually dealt with him over the last 8 or 9 years. We have over 300 reports of police contact with him. He remains in custody until his next court appearance.
灣市警方已經將部分贓物嘅照片上載到佢哋嘅網站。而公眾如果能夠從中辨認出一啲屬於自己嘅物件，就最好於聯絡警方時提供序號、收據圖片等證明。新時代電視記者吳偉基報導。